Bengal's Oyan Mondol, Bengal के डिफेंडर. I think that seems to be a serious one.
Yes, I think it's based on the advice of the medical team man who was there, and that's how he's probably left the field.
एक थ्रो इन बंगाल के लिए, लेकिन अटैक करना होगा दोनों टीम्स को. अभी तक कोई भी गोल देखने को नहीं मिला. थ्रू बॉल लेकिन फिर से रोक दिया मिडफील्डर ने. ये मौका सिर्फ मेरे ख्याल से केरला को दिया जाएगा. यस,
Kerala is replacing Mohammad Afzal with Shijin T. And let us see whether Shijin can bring in some change. Top scorer and man of the match on Sunday, Mohammad Roshal, is already on the field. And he did make his presence felt with a very fine cross. Afzal, the forward, coming off for Kerala.
6 minutes added. Something should happen. Kerala on the attack here. Cross, header, and went outside the line here.
Nasir Ahmed not really getting to the ball, and that cross found no takers. I think both the sides now are not as agile with their counter-attacks, and understandably so. With so much of playing time and with so much of zeal and gusto they've been playing, they've been really exhausted.
बंगाल की तरफ से अटैक यहाँ पे. बॉल तो रोक तो दिया यहाँ पे, लेकिन इस अटैक को और बिल्ड करना होगा. तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. थ्रू बॉल, लेकिन फिर से उसे रोक दिया बैक लाइन के डिफेंडर ने. आउटफिट में कोई खिलाड़ी नहीं है केरला के, इसलिए कोई डेंजर नहीं है. 6 minutes added to the regulation time. No goal has been scored, and I think it will go into the extra time also.
This way things are going, definitely it's going into extra time, and that's really going to be taxing for the players. There should be a few more substitutions. That is number 7, that's Mohammad Roshal, the man who scored 3 goals yesterday. Kerala captain pleading with the referee on behalf of his teammate Nasib Rahman, incidentally second in the honours list of goal scorers in this tournament. In this edition of the Santosh Trophy, that is into its 78th version. Nasib Rahman definitely looks a little shaken. Bengal and Kerala bashing on regardless of the setbacks. Mandi taking that free kick, and that's a real skyer sailing into the Kerala half and towards the Kerala rectangle. Nicely centered there and headed through. Oh, that's the goal that everybody has been waiting for, and that little slip up, and again that comes from the top scorer of the tournament, Robbie Hansda, the supreme opportunist, waiting there at the right place at the right time, and that is what Bengal must be really longing for. Very good coordination, and that very fine volley gets Robbie Hansda one more, and he has separated himself from the rest of the goal scorers by a wider margin, and that makes it, I think, his 14th goal as per the statistics we have available. Kerala really in trouble here, and it's full time already. Kerala can pull one back, and that is the replay. Oh, tremendous temperament shown there by Robbie Hansda, just keeping his cool and really exultant with that goal. Now I'm sure Bengal would want to hold on to that very tender, most tender of leads. A one goal margin. This is really the fruit of some really hard work from the Bengal forward line. But the man who scored it seemed to be so cool in the Kerala goal area. Absolutely not taking his eyes off the ball. Tremendous task on Kerala's hands to pull one back and to equalize. Bengal not taking it that easy, and still another 4 minutes at least to go. Bengal again on the attack. That's a really good goal kick, but no takers there. One more substitution there for Bengal. That is to bolster their forward line. Midfielder Vishal Das coming in. Sanju flashing on regardless for Kerala, but then Bengal custodian Samantha. Class there by referee Akash Kamlesh Kumar. Bengal, will they be able to hold on to that lead? Kerala would have definitely want to equalize, and this is really a very crucial stage for Bengal. Perilously close to the penalty area. Rather very close to the goal area, if I may correct myself. That's a free kick right in the penalty area for Kerala. It seems to be Mohammad Mushraf, jersey number 16 for Kerala. Mohammad Mushraf has a defensive role, but now I think Kerala has resorted to total football. Everybody has come in here, including Captain Sanju. Or is this going to be Sanju who's going to take the kick? This is going to be really tricky for Bengal. Oh, opportunity for Kerala to equalize. But Captain Sanju's left footer not finding the mark, going way beyond the mark. That was, I'm sure Bengal must have heaved a huge sigh of relief. And they just now have to hold on to that very slender lead. Kerala again launching another attack, but Bengal holding on grimly. A little bit of business attacking by Kerala. Doesn't seem to be a concerted effort there. Some of those long range passes a little too wayward, and some more stoppage time here. Both the sides very passionate about their football, and this time Bengal seems to be prevailing. Captain Sanju keen to lead from the front. He had done a commendable job in defence. He had done a great job in defence, but with that free kick, I think he missed the mark quite a bit. This one goes straight to Bengal custodian Saurabh Samanta, and he will hold on to the ball like he holds on to dear life. That's a real styer, and that's it for Bengal. Bengal have emerged 1-0 winners of the 78th edition of the Santosh Trophy. That 1-0 win coming through Robbie Hansda, a very opportunist goal, and I see some Bengal players weeping with tears of joy, and sure enough, they have won the nation's